finalne utakmice, poklon voucher za produženi vikend u hotelu Stara planina dodeljuje Kupa Radivoja direktor javnog preduzeća Stara planina za Srbije iz Lavobojić, generalni sekretar Košarkaškog saveza Srbije. Podsjetit ćemo se još jednom ko je to igrao večeras sa ekipu Mega Mista. Aleksa Milenković, Danko Branković, Asim Đulović, Matej Rudan. Medalje dobijaju redom kapiten Branka Lazića, zatim Dalibor Ilić, Luka Mitrović, Filip Petrušev, Nemanje Nedović, Luka Vildoze, Fakunda Kampaca, to su naravno i ostali igrači Crvene zvezde koji nisu igrali večeras. Nikola Ivanović, Miroslav Raduljica i Ognjen Kuzmić. Trener ekipe Duško Ivanović i naravno Kupa Radivoja Koraća 2020.
posle duzijama, aha. Jeste. Baš.
Pa evo još jedan trofej, još jedan kup u vitrinama, svakako da smo zadovoljni, više nego zadovoljni. Možda večerašnja utakmica nije bila, da kažem, sa naše strane najsjajnija, obzirom da smo juče imali veliku potrošnju, kako fizički, tako i emotivno, ali najbitnije od svega da smo pobedili večeras. Čestitke celoj ekipi, klubu, navijačima na još jednom trofeju, čestitke ekipi Mege na također sjajnom turniru i eto idemo da proslavimo u autobusu koliko bude trener dozvolio i što kaže, okrećemo se već sljedećim obavezom.
Kako ćete proslaviti u Beogradu kada stignete, ali ima neki poseban plan?
Kažemo u autobusu, eto, pošto mislim da ćemo toliko dobiti da proslavimo.
Da li ima neki hit koji je sad u modi?
Čuće se.
Your first impression?
Thank you. I'm very happy. We are very happy for this first trophy, for this first tournament for us. We want it so bad. It's always good to win something during the season, so it's a great way to start, you know. So it's a motivation for us for the rest of the season, you know.
Atmosferu in chair?
Yeah. The fans were crazy. They were singing 40 minutes, even more. Halftime. They were our sixth player, you know. We are like a team, you know. It's a great motivation for us, and we use that for extra energy.
What next? The debut in EuroLeague is coming.
Yeah, we play this Thursday, I think, against Alba. Okay, thank you. Against Alba. So, okay, we gotta enjoy this now, but think about Alba. We need to start with a good way, the EuroLeague, you know. So I hope we can win the next game against Alba.
Your first derby against Partizan, how did you feel yesterday?
I felt great. I give everything, you know. It was so emotional, passionate. The people were crazy. I mean, we got the best fun, I think. So we use that for extra energy, like I said. And okay, we won. That's the most important as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm happy for the team. I'm happy because everybody was involved, and I'm happy because we gave a cup to the Rostar, so I'm happy.
You played in Kupa Radivoja, but it's been a different experience here with all the fans and everything.
Yeah, it's different. Kupa Radivoja, I think, have more teams. Probably they have 8, and they are playing in Europe Championship. So I think it's a little bit tougher, but still, against Partizan, I think it was tough. We had a lot of emotion after the game, and tonight we did our job, so I'm happy for the team.
So just first goal, and now you have the playoffs, 5 playoffs against the Asiatic League.
Yep, we still have time. Still in February, we won the last game, right? I don't remember.
You won,
Yeah, I think we won the last game. So we came back in that streak. I hope we can still win, especially because we're playing at home. So we're good.
Fans chanting Argentina at the end of the game. So how do you feel about
flag.
that? Yeah, and that flag.
Yeah, everywhere. They're crazy. I love that. I love that love, especially because we are far from home, and you need sometimes the love, and they are showing us every single game, and especially tonight was amazing, was special. So I'm happy to be here and share with them.
Celebration started back there. So how do you like Serbian music?
Well, I don't understand a word, so I'm just dancing, watching the guys how they dance, and just having fun.
Will Argentinians have some kind of their celebration, like you and Fakunda?
Yeah, we sing something between the guys, between the teammates, but here it's different. I think, well, we're gonna enjoy, especially when you win something with the team. You build something, we're building something. I'm feeling great with them.
Jeste, prvi trofej, poseban za mene, baš sam imao želju da ga osvojim i došao sam sa tom namerom, došao sam dosta koncentrisan, tako da baš mi je drago što smo uspeli da odigramo sve 3 utakmice kako treba i da osvojimo Kupa Radivoja Koraća.